Here's a pair of the TAGRY X08 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. You want to do a factory reset, you have issues where you can't put it in a pairing mode, or it's not connecting or pairing, or it keeps disconnecting, or one side's not working, or it's out of sync, and so on. So with the factory reset is very simple here. So all you got to do is take out the earbuds, okay? The thing is, in order to do the reset, your buds have to be in the pairing mode. Okay, so as soon as you take the buds out, you'll know if it's in pairing mode. If one of them is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. I'm not getting any blue, red on here. And the reason is because I'm currently connected and paired to a phone, okay? So let me go back to this phone here. This is an iPhone, by the way. I'm currently connected and paired to this. Let me go to Bluetooth here. And you can see that I'm currently connected here, okay? So let me go ahead and tap on the little information, and I want to delete it off the pairing list, okay? For iPhones, it would be forget this device. For an Android phone, it would be like unpair, okay? And as soon as I forget this, forget device, now let's see if we go into pairing mode automatically. Hey, what do you know? One of them is blinking, blue, red, okay? So now it's in pairing mode. Now we can go ahead and factory reset these. So we'll do this together, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and turn this upside down so we can see the lights on here. What we wanna do is press the touch sensor here, right on top of here, and keep holding until both lights turn red, okay? So we'll do it together. Ready, set, go. Press and hold now. Just hold both sides. You wanna do it for like 10 or 15 seconds. I'm still holding. Oh, it's red, just wait, let go, all right? Now I just performed a factory reset, but it's not complete until we put back in the earbuds into the case like this. And now they say you have to wait like a minute, but from my experience, wait like 1.5 minutes, okay? Leave it in the case before you take it back out. So after 1.5 minutes, it should be factory reset and ready to go. And as soon as you pull them out, they should automatically go into pairing mode. And you can see it's back into pairing mode. So if I wanted to, I can connect back to the same device. If I wish, you can see that it popped up here, the X08s on my iPhone here, and I can just reconnect back here if I wish. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.